Good morning children. So today I am going to explain you chapter 10 about the multiplication and division of the fractions. Okay, so everyone open your maths classwork books, and in that section wise I am going to explain two sums, and remaining sums you have to do it as a homework. Okay, so open your classworks and write in the notebook chapter 10 multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication and division of fractions. Multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, so here open textbook page number 91 children everyone. In textbook page number 91 section 1 sums I am going to explain now. Find the product of the given fraction and write the answer in the lowest form is there. Okay, the first one will be 3 into 1 by 7. 3 into 1 by 7. So what you have to do here means, while doing the answer 3 into 1 by 7, write it and put is equal to, and the whole number, I already told you that whole number will be written as a numerator, and down we have to write the denominator as a 1. So 3 by 1 into 1 by 7. Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. It means 3 into 1 by 1 into 7. 3 ones are 3, by 1 sevens are 7. 7 by 3 is the answer. Okay, this is related to the first one. And next E. Sum E. 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. Here you can observe, here we can do the cross division also. Cross division means first numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Okay, cross division also we can do. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Next, 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. What is left over now? 1 into 1 by 1 into 2. And answer is 1 by 2. Okay, next. H. Now sum number H. The sum is 15 by 18 into 6 by 7 into 14 by 20. Okay, this is the sum. Now do the solution. Same you have to write 15 by 18 into 6 by 7 into 14 by 20. Now we can do the cross division. How to do the cross division? 15 and 7. Is these two will be divide each other children? In 7 table 15 is not possible now. So don't. 7 divided by 14. Yes, it is possible. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Over. Next. 18 and 6. These two not divide each other. But in 3 table these two can be divide each other. 3 2 is 6. 3 6 are 18. Or you can write 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18. Okay, 6 3 is 18. Now 15 and 3. What is left over? 15 by 3 into 1 by 1 into 2 by 20. Now again check it. In 3 table 15 possible or not? Yes. How many times it will divide? 5 times. So 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Next 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 10s are 20. Now write down everyone. 5 by 1 into 1 by 1 into 1 by 10. So 5 into 1 into 1 by 1 into 1 into 10. And answer is 5 by 10. Again it is multiplied, divide each other. How many times? 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. And answer is 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Okay. Next. So remaining sums also you have to do like this only. Do the cross division and complete the sums. Next, section number 2. Simplify the following. Section number 2. First one, 3 by 8 into 1 by 2 plus 3 by 8 into 2 by 3. Okay, now same. First 3 by 8 into 1 by 2. So first we have to do 3 into 1 by 8 into 2 plus 3 by 8 into 2 by 3. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 1 ones are 1, 3 ones are 3. So 1 into 1, 1 by 4 and 1 by 1. Okay. 3 ones are 3 by 8 twos are 16 plus 1 ones are 1 by 4 ones are 4. Now take the LCM of 16 and 4. We will be get the LCM will be 16 only. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. So 16. In 16 table 16 multiply 1 time. So 1 into 3 plus in 4 table 16 multiply 4 times. 4 into 1. And the answer is 3 ones are 3 plus 4 ones are 4 by 16 is equal to 7 by 16 is the answer. And next one, subtraction is the children. That also you can do like this only in the after simplification. Okay. Next, open now textbook page number 93. Page number 93, section 1. Find the product of. So here one thing you have to remember children, any fraction or any number which is multiplied with 0, the answer will be get it or the product will be get it 0 itself. Okay, 0 table, any number, whichever the big number it will be, or how many digits after if the 0 is came, it means 2 into 3 into 0 or 125 into 12 into 0. Or 16 into 0 into 135, like that. In between anywhere, if you saw the 0 with multiplication, so blindly you have to write 0 as the answer. Okay, so now here the first one is 0 into 2 by 3. What is the answer children? 0 only. 0 into 2 by 3, 0 itself. Okay, like that first section all you will be get the zeros only answer. Second one, reciprocal. In second section they are asking about the reciprocal. What is the meaning of reciprocal? Reciprocal means section 2. Reciprocal. So the number which is after the division, the number is there, fraction, that we will be write in the reverse manner. Numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. For example, look at the board here. 3 by 5 is there. Okay, 3 by 5. 3 here is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Now when you are writing in the reciprocal, we have to write reverse. It means 5 by 3. This 5 and the numerator and it will be like a denominator. One more example I tell you will get understand. 11 by 37 is there. 11 by 37 and reciprocal of 11 by 37 is 37 by 11. Reverse we are writing. Okay, writing the reverse order will be known as reverse order means numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. That will be known as reciprocal. Okay. So in the sum, first one 11 by 12 is there. A 11 by 12. So reciprocal is what is that? 12 by 11. 12 by 11. Okay. Now B 5 reciprocal. 5 reciprocal is actually 5 is the whole number. I said no, 5 if any whole number is there means down we have to write the denominator 1. Now the reciprocal will be 1 by 5. Got it? So like that you have to write. Next, section 3. Section 3. In section 3, find the product of 9 by 10 into 10 by 9 is there. Section 3. 9 by 10 into 10 by 9. Okay, so how to do this? Same, write the number 9 by 10 into 10 by 9 is equal to cross division. 9 ones are 9, 9 ones are 9. Here also cross division. 10 ones are 10, 10 ones are 10. Now what is left over? 1 by 1 in the first box. It is a 1 by 1 means what is the answer will be? 1 by 1 is equal to 1 itself. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Like that, remaining sums you have to do, children. Okay. In C, what they have given here means 3 1 by 3 into 3 by 10 is there. 3 1 by 3. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 3 3 is a 9 plus 1 is equal to 10 by 3 into 3 by 10. 1 ones are 3 ones are 3, 10 ones are 10. So answer will be 1 by 1 is equal to 1 is the answer. Okay, this is related to the textbook page number 93. Next, now open textbook page number 95. Open textbook page number 95, children. Here the first section they are asking to write about the reciprocal. Roman number 1. The first one will be the 3 1 by 7. 3 1 by 7. So what is asking? Reciprocal of 3 1 by 7 is equal to, first 3 1 by 7 convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22 by 7 and the reciprocal is 7 by 22. Reverse. Okay, remaining sums also convert first. For example, B. B is 11 1 by 3 is there. 11 1 by 3. So reciprocal of 11 1 by 3. First convert this into improper fraction. 11 3s are 33 plus 1 is equal to 34 by 3. And if you write the reciprocal, it will come 3 by 34. Okay. Next, Roman number 2, divide. Very easy, children. How to do the fraction divisions means 3 by by 5 divided by 1 by 5. A. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So solution first. What you have to do? How to do this? To change the division symbol. To change the division symbol into multiplication symbol, we have to this decimal after. Okay, decimal after the number will be no. That number we have to write in the reciprocal form. Okay, it means 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. Now write the reciprocal of 1 by 5 is equal to 5 by 1. Okay, so now 3 by 5, when you are writing the reciprocal, this symbol will be converted into multiplication. Okay, and the reciprocal will be 5 by 1. Okay, now do the cross division. 5 ones are 5 and the leftover will be 3 into 1 by 1 into 1. 3 ones are 3 by 1. 3 by 1. Okay. Next, second sum, D. D1, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 divided by 1, 2 by 3. Okay, now solution. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 by 4 divided by 1 3 is a 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, now reciprocal of 5 by 3 is equal to 3 by 5. Reverse. Okay, now 15 by 4, and when you are writing the reciprocal, the decimal will become multiplication and 3 by 5. Okay, now 5 table, 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 15 and the remainders will be 3 3s are and 4 into 1. 3 3s are 9 by 4 ones are 4. That is the answer. Okay, next, Roman number 3. Page number 96. Page number 96, Roman number 3. Section 3, simplify. And the first sum is 7 1 by 4 divided by 2 2 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. Okay, so first when you are doing the solution, convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. 7 4s are 28 plus 1 is equal to 29 by 4 divided by 2 3s are 6 plus 8 is equal to 2 is equal to 8 by 3 divided by 9 by 16. Okay, now